Good morning, dear student. In our English, our nine lesson name is The Lion, the King of the Forest. So let we see here in activity 8 here. So in activity 8, animals idioms is given here. That is, we can say that the people are speak some words said. That is a special word. That is a idioms here. So first, read the idioms and their meanings carefully and try to make three sentences for each idioms after reading and discuss the example given below here. So we see here that is first given here, that is idiom. We are habitual to speak here, that is cat nap. Cat nap means that is a short sleep here. We take a rest for the 15 or half an hours. The sentence is I am going to have a cat nap while you are cooking dinner here. So we take some rest here, short sleep here, that we are wait for that dinner is ready here. Then the another word, that is a copycat. Copycat means a person who does the same thing as someone else. We copy here the someone person here. So that is, we can say that copycat. My sister is such a copy person that copycat. First she bought the same car as me, and now she is applying to my school here. So here he or she is doing copy to us here. Then dog day. Dog day means very hot day here. So I sleep in a basement during the dog day of August. We, it means I hardly came out from my house due to very hot day. Very hot day. Then have a cow here. Get extremely upset often over something slight here. So when we become upset, then we can say that it is a have a cow here. My teacher had a cow when she realized nobody had gone the homework here. So little bit we are become upset here when someone is not following to us on that time. Then fishy. Fishy means strange word, doubtful, odd work here. Then I knew something fishy was going on when I saw all of my friends' car in my mom's driveway here. That is odd work. We are doing the odd work on that time, the strange work. To show these things, we can say it is fishy here. Then get the lion's share. Lion's share, it means give a big, greatest percentage here. Get the greatest percentage. When we sharing the each thing, someone asked the big piece here. Then my brother got the lion's share of cake here. He need the big portion here. That is a get the lion's share here. Then raining cat and dog. It means raining heavily. On that times we are speaking here. Raining cats and dog here. I forgot my umbrella and it was raining cat and dog here. It means the heavy rain was started and raining cat and dogs here. Raining heavily here. And I forget my umbrella here. Then let the cat out of the bag here to show the secret here. Tell a secret. We don't know, but the secret was came out. Then we get surprise here. It is a very big secret here. So we let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party here. So when we suddenly say it is a secret matter here. So let the cat out of the bag here. So these are the idioms that we are habitual to speak here in English. We see here in activity 9 that get a quick look at our 10 cool facts about the Georgia's king of the jungle about lion here. So we know that what is the fact about the lion here. We can say that a lion usually live in a group of 10 to 15 animals called that is pride here. So we can say that the group of lion, for that we using the word that is pride. We can say that pride means a group of lion here. Then second fact is given here about an adult male's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. If the adult, the big lion, if roar, then male's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers. a lions may sleep for up to 20 hours a day here. Hardly here. When they become hungry, so they gets up from their sleep here. So lion take their sleep up to 20 hours here. And a female lion need 5 kg of meat a day, and a male needs 7 kg or more a day here. So this is a food habit is given here about fact that female lion need 5 kg, and the male lion take their food, it means meat, up to 7 kg here. Then the name for the baby lion is cub. We can say that cub, whale or lioness here. But we are habitual to speak here cub here or lioness here. It is a baby lion here. Then female lion. Female lion do 85 to 90 percentage of the pride hunting, whilst the male lion patrol the area and protect the pride here. So here, what is the work of the male or female lion? That 85 to 19 percentage of the female lion do the 85 to 90 of the pride hunting here. And while the male lions patrolling the area and protect the pride here. So female female lion do the hunting work, while the male lion give the protection or give the protect to the pride, that particular group of the lion here. So male do the protection here. Then in 6 given here, in the world lion have for the average 12 to 16 years. So how long that lion can live their life? So up to 12 to 16 year, it is the lifespan. Lion live up to their life up to 16 year, 12 to 16 year. Then they dead here. It means the lifespan is 12 to 16 year. They live up to 5 years in an imprisonment here. So like they live their life in a 5 years, 25 years in a imprisonment here. They live up to 25 years in a imprisonment here. And lion go on the hunt for food mostly from dusk till dawn here. It means evening to morning time. They go for the hunting time. Lion go for hunting morning time to the evening time here. And then female lion reach 2/3 of their adult size by the time they are 2 years old here. When the lion cub became 2, female lion especially we are talking about female lion, they reach 2/3 of their adult size by the time they are 2 years old. So when they become 2 years old, they look like the adult female lions here. Then a lion can run for short distance at 5 mph here. It means a lion can run up to short distance 15 minutes per hours here. The speed is given here. The lion speed is 15 mph here. Cheetah can run very fast and leap as far as 36 feet here. Here the lion can jump. The lion can jump here up to 36 feet here. So 15 mph is a speed of lion is given here. Then lion hunt animals. We can say that deer, buffalo, wild pig in a forest here. Actually, lion and tiger would like to eat the rabbit, deer, buffalo, the short animals here, like the small animal. Tell your teacher and classmate about the fact that surprise you at the most and find some more amazing fact about any other animals here. Then now in activity 10 that is given about the national park of the state of Gujarat here. We see here what the national park tell us here and what show here and what is given here in a national park here. So we can say that also tell them about the animals you have seen in a forest or zoo and which sanctuary you would like to visit here. So government made some zoo that we can go there to see the different animals, wild animal, and we can easily see there a wild animal. Otherwise we have to go in a forest, but no one would like to go in a forest here. So Gujarat state came into existence on 1 May 1960. We are connected with Maharashtra before the 1 May 1960. It means Gujarat is joining state with Maharashtra, and Gujarat become and come in existence in 1 May 1960. After the division of the state of Bombay, the total geographical area of the state is we can say that 1,96,024 square kilometer, out of which 18,961.56 square kilometer, it means 9.67 is a declared forest area. It means our government has declared that we have to keep the reserve area, that is forest area, in a 9.67 percentage here, and with a 7.72 of area as a forest cover here. And forest area, that is forest area, is 7.72 of area is covered with the forest here. The unique feature of the state are the climatic and the geographical condition, that is largest coastline in the country here. Gujarat has largest coastline. It means water body is connected with, it means 1600 kilometer, 1600 kilometer is connected with the coastline here, Gujarat. And total area of India has 6100 kilometer is connected with the sea area here. So we can say that the Gujarat has the largest coastline in the country, and the salty desert, grassland and the wetland is given here. So we see that India, and especially in Gujarat, has the good oceans connected area, as well as in forest we can find here in a Gujarat here. These factors have given the state of diversity of plant life and animals life, that the Royal Asiatic lions and wild ass have their last resort of the world in Gujarat here. So our government has decided that some reserve area we have to keep here. We cannot clear down this forest area for the animals here. We have to keep reserve for the animals here. So the animals life consists of the 40% of the species here, 18% is for the reptile, and 37 avifauna. It means avifauna means the bird of particular regions here, habitat or the geographical period here. So we have to keep such a percentage of the land masses for the different animals here, like the 14% for the fishes, 18% is for the reptile, and 37% is for the avifauna here. So the birds of the particular region, then the habitat or the geographical period, and the 25% of the mammals population of the country, which we can now see here in Gujarat here. So the ratio is given here, how much the animals you can find here in Gujarat here. Forest Department of Gujarat is entrusted with the prime responsibility of a protection here, protection, conservation and the development of the forest and wildlife of the state here. So we have to keep the preserve area. The Forest Department of Gujarat, they protect here the wild animal, they conserve here and they develop here. They try to make the more numbers of the animals here in a zoo here. So some area is covered with the forest area, and we can see here, we can find the different animals here. First is given, that is Gir National Park. That is, we can say that Girnar. Girnar is established in 1975, and how much area is covered here? To 256.75 square kilometer is covered in this location, it Girnar Park here. So location is Sasangir. We can say that Sasangir, and Sasangir is situated in a Junagadh district here. You can find the lion, leopard, cheetah, chausinka, hyena, mammoth, chinkara, and herpetofauna and crocodiles and birds there. This area you can find here such animals there in a Gir National Park. Gir National Park is situated in Gujarat in a Junagadh district. Then another, that is a black buck. Black buck National Park. It means like the black deer here. We can say that black deer. It it comes in existence in 1976. Established in 1976. The area is covered here 34.08 square kilometer, and Velavdar here. Velavdar is situated in Bhavnagar district here. So you can find here the Veravdar National Park, that is the Blackbuck National Park. You can see here the blackbuck, wolf, Haubara mustard, then we can say that harriers, laser florican and herpetofauna. Such animals you can see here in a Blackbuck National Park. Then Vansda National Park is established in 1979, and this area is covered 23.99 square kilometer. Then Vansda is situated in a Navsari district in Gujarat. You can see here the leopard, hyena chital, chausinga and herpetofauna and some birds here in this Vansda National Park here. Then marine life is given here. Marine National Park here. You can see here it comes in existence in 1982. Then the area is covered here 162.89 square kilometer for the Marine National Park here. That is situated near the Gulf of Kutch district in Jamnagar here. So it is near by the Jamnagar district and it is near by the Gulf of Kutch. You can see here sponges, coral, jellyfish, seahorse, octopus, oyster, perioster, starfish and lobster, that dolphin and dugongs and the waterfowls. Such animals you can find here in this area here. So we can see here our government, Gujarat government has decided that, as well as our Indian government also decided that some area we have to keep preserve here, that the reserve area for the wild animal we have to give the protection them, we have to care them, and we have to develop the more numbers of such animal for the development such animals here. So Indian government as well as the Gujarat government decided to keep such animals preserved here, and we should not give any harms to such animal. The rules regulation is very strict, so we have to follow this, and we can visit here to see such an animal in a zoo here, in a different zoo we can find here for the Gir National Park, Blackbuck National Park, Vansda National Park and Marine National Park. You can able to see such animals there because our government has kept this area reserved for such animals here. Okay, thank you.